working with the task tab or task page, which is on your navigation pane, either at the bottom of your page or to the left of your page. Tasks consist of a list of items you're tracking, and these items are stored in the task folder, where there is the option to create, manage, and edit tasks, not to be confused with your to-do list, which consists of all those items you want to follow up by setting flags. So now we're going to start by creating and editing a task. Go to your task page, open it up, and in the new group, we're going to create a new task. Mine is remember to take the clothes out the fire. And we're going to have it put a start date. Let's choose tomorrow. And a reminder, 8 o'clock in the morning. And I'm going to change the priority to height because I really don't want to forget it. And I'm going to assign it to my daughter, and then I'm going to send that off. So that's okay. So because I'm no longer the owner, it automatically shuts off the reminder, but she will get it and she can address accordingly. Second task, I am going to put testing MS Outlook video recording. That today we are going to start that around, let's see, maybe at 10 o'clock. And I'm going to put this as a reoccurring weekly session with no end date, and say okay, and then save and close. And now you see we have 2 tasks in our list. We can create a new folder to put those tasks in. We can decide how we want to view it. We can either view it as a to-do list, we can view it as a simple list, or detailed. However works for you, you put it to suit you. Then in here we can have determine if we want to see what the message is. We have preview 1 line or 2 lines, but I'll take it off. We can sort them. We can expand the columns. The reading pane, we can either have it to the left or the right, or the right or the bottom, sorry. And again, we have our reminder. So that, my friends, is how we work with our task pane. Now, creating a task using the to-do bar, we come over to the layout group, go to to-do bar, hit task, type a new task, enter button, and now you have a new task created. That's it for now, and thank you for watching. See you in the next one where we talk about notes.